We are now going to learn research design. This lesson on research design and quantitative research contains 4 simple steps. In this lesson, you will learn about observational, quasi-experimental, and true experimental design. These are the popular research design and quantitative research. Our first step is to watch a 4-minute video on study design and research methods. To watch it, click the YouTube link. While watching the video, try to recall the 2 research examples that we have discussed earlier, the virtual banking, and the recallability studies. Let's recall. Now, focus on the objectives of the 2 studies, the intention to use virtual banking, and recallability. Consider the objectives of the intention to use virtual banking study first. Before collecting the data. 1. Was there a necessity to include an intervention? 2. If yes, why? 3. What should the nature of the intervention look like? 4. If no, what is the type of research design applicable to the study? Be mindful that research intervention is a strategy or a program, designed to produce and examine behavior changes among individuals, or groups of people. Interventions may include exposure, instructions, training, therapy, medical prescription, or rules and regulations. Based on the research questions, there isn't any need to include an intervention to answer the research questions, and the objectives of the study could be achieved using an observational research design, which is a cross-sectional survey. Let us now revisit the study on students' recallability. My questions are, prior to collecting the data, was there any form of intervention? If yes, what was the nature of the intervention? Was there a control group? Who were involved in the recall test? Was it a random sample? What was the design of the study? Yes, you are correct, if your answers are 1. There was no intervention. 2. The recall test was an instrument, not an intervention. 3. PG students who attended the lesson. 4. There was no control group. 5. There was no randomization in the selection of the test takers. 6. An observational study, using a cognitive test. In summary, a quantitative study uses one of the following research designs. 1. Observational design, without any intervention, may use random or using non-random samples. 2. Quasi-experiment, there is an intervention, using a non-random sample. 3. True experiment, the random controlled treatment, using intervention, and random sample. Let's look at your study. What is the design of your own research idea? Is it going to be an observational study? Or a quasi-experiment? Or a true experiment? Why do you say so?